Let's shift it over now to weather. We'll get back to the hurricane in a moment, but locally here, what's on your radar?
Yeah, there are a few things we're watching. Okay?
It was windy.
It was a little windy yesterday. We're going to deal with that kind of cool, gusty breeze again today as well. But that's it for the next 12 hours. The next threat, of course, we've been talking about that Thursday night time period into Friday morning with the potential for some heavy rain, gusty winds, but it's out of here for the weekend. So other than some wind on Saturday, we should have a good amount of sunshine for the weekend. But we'll talk about Melissa, which made its second landfall a couple of hours ago, just after 3 o'clock this morning. You can see the eye now here filling in a little bit, but it is over eastern Cuba, where it's going to sit for a few hours and then re-emerge back into the waters. But Melissa is already a historic storm. This is the only Category 5 to make a landfall in Jamaica. And when it did that yesterday, had 185-mile-per-hour winds, second strongest by wind in the Atlantic Basin on record. And in terms of pressure, third lowest pressure at 892 millibars. So this is an intense storm, about as strong as they can get in the Atlantic Basin. It has weakened some. It's a Category 3 right now with those 115-mile-per-hour winds. It will likely emerge on the other side of Cuba as a Category 2 as it pushes through the southeastern Bahamas. Turks and Caicos will have some impacts. And eventually Bermuda Thursday night into Friday morning, likely going just west of Bermuda as a Category 1 hurricane. So certainly going to be dealing with this as it heads up into the North Atlantic. But on that track, some of that tropical moisture, you can see how it's kind of feeding up and in to the front that's going to be crossing our area on Thursday night. And that may enhance the rainfall a little bit, particularly from Plymouth out to the Cape, where we may see some amounts near and over 2 inches of rain. Elsewhere, probably closer to an inch of rain, but this is going to be a quick hit as it comes in primarily Thursday night. So rain will be heavy at times Thursday night with some downpours. And then we're going to talk about the winds, which will gust about 30 to 40 miles per hour as the rain is coming in. But once the storm goes by, that wind is going to be with us into Saturday. So several days of some wind coming up around here. Going to pull a lot of leaves off the trees for sure. You can see there's some cloud cover right now. We've had some spotty light sprinkles here. There's a storm passing by offshore, and although that has been missing us, we're getting the wind from it in the cloud cover too. Some gusts right now over 20 and 30 miles per hour. You will notice that wind today adding kind of a raw feel. Temperatures in the 40s mostly as you're heading out this morning, but look, they don't go anywhere under the clouds with that northeasterly breeze. We're only around 50 Boston to Beverly today with some low 50s elsewhere. Hour by hour, can't rule out a spotty sprinkle here or a quick passing shower in the southeast corner of the state today. Otherwise, it's mostly dry into tonight, but closer to dawn tomorrow, we may get a few showers to come into the western part of the state. We'll keep it in the 40s tonight. Tomorrow it is an alert for that rain, which is going to start getting steady by late in the day, but heavier in the evening. You can see that here on the timeline. Spot shower in the morning, and then we just kind of wait till the evening commute, unfortunately. 5, 6 o'clock, that's when the rain starts moving in. It is going to pour 9, 10, 11 o'clock at night, and then after midnight, this starts to kick out. So by 5 a.m. on Friday, the rain is gone, and so we're dry for Halloween. The big concern on Friday is going to be the wind, and that wind is going to snap back around to the west behind our storm. And look at these gusts you can see through the afternoon on Friday and during the evening for trick-or-treating. We're talking about gusts over 20, 30, even closer to 40 miles per hour on the Cape. So windy for the trick-or-treaters, but dry, so we'll take that. And don't forget, we do turn those clocks back this weekend. Temperatures in the 50s.
Yeah, all right. Well, we don't have the rain. We do have the wind, so just hang on to the little ones. All right, out there on the roads, a lot of green at 519. We've got a nice ride coming down 93 over the Zachem Bunker Hill Bridge, and you can see left-hand side of your screen, lever connector down ramp to Storrow Drive. Looks like it's moving right along this early in the morning. We do have that work going on up in Andover. It's 495 north and southbound sides by Route 28, and you'll see that for much of the day. The breakdown lane will be closed.